Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Arenco Building located in Dubai Investment Park 1. At 575 square foot, this office is finished to a high standard and offered as fitted finish. This unit is also situated on the ground floor. The office is bright, compact and ready to move in. Public transport available to and from the DIP metro station, visitor parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.